Hello children, this is Ankita ma'am. Today we will cover our last topics of this chapter. Let's learn rounding off numbers. Sometimes we take the liberty of rounding off a number to a convenient figure to make the calculation easy. For example, rather than saying there are 3,121 students in a school, we can say that there are about 3,000 students, right? So you have learned rounding of a number to the nearest tens and hundred in your previous class. So let's revise the concept. See, for rounding of a number to the nearest 10, what we'll do, first we will put 0 at ones place. So this is ones and tens. Ones place we put 0. Now look at the ones place digit, means this digit. If this digit is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we will not change anything. So means at the ones place we put 0, at this these digits we will not change any digit. So nearest tens of 23 will be 20, right? Let's take another example. First put the 0 at ones place. Now see the ones place digit. It is 7. If the digit at ones place 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 means more than 5 or 5. So we will add 1 in the tens place digit. Means first we'll put 0 at ones place. Now in tens place we will add 1. Right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Rest of the digit would remain unchanged. Means we will not change these digits. It is 5. So nearest 10 of 517 will be 520. Let's take another example with the largest digit. This is the 2, means first put the 0 at ones place. Then this is 2, means we will not change any digit. So it will be 2, 1, 3, 4. So nearest 43,122, it will be 43,120. Okay. Now let's see how to rounding off number to the nearest 100. First we put 0 at the ones and tens place. Then look at the tens place digit. If it is 1, 2, 3 or 4, we will not change any number. Then if the digit 5, 6, 7 or 8 or 9, we will add 1 in the 100 place digit. And rest of the digit would remain unchanged. Let's take some examples. There is 215. We have to rounding off these all number nearest 100. So take this number. First we will put 0 at ones and tens place. Right? Now we have to see the tens place number. It is 1. So we will not change any digit here. So it will be remain same. Right? Come to the next example. First put the 0 at ones and tens place. Right? Now see the tens place number. It is 8. It is more than 5. So we will add 1 in the 100 place number. So 4 plus 1 is 5. And rest of the digit would remain unchanged. Means 1500. Okay. Come to the next. It is the large number. So first put the 0 at ones and tens place. Now see the tens place number. This is 5. So we will add 1 in this 100 place number. So 8 plus 1 is 9. And rest of the digit would remain same, which is 4 and 3. So these are the nearest 100 place rounding off of these numbers. Okay. Now I will teach you how to rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. So first we will put 0 at ones, tens and 100 place. Then look at the 100 place digit. If it is 1, 2, 3 and 4, we will not change. And if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will add 1 in 1000 place digit. Okay. And rest of the digit would remain unchanged. Now see some examples. So first ones, tens and 100 place we will put 0. Right. And now we will see the 100 place digit. This is 1. So we will not change any digit. So it will be remain same. So nearest 1000 digit will be 2000. Come to the next example. First put the 0, 1s, 10s and 100 place. Now see the 100 place digit. It is also 1. So we will not change in this digit. So it will remain the same. Right? Come to the last example. So we will put 0 at 1s, 10s and 100 place. Now see the 100 place value. This is 7. So at 7 place we will add 1 in 1000 place digit. So this is the 1000 place. So we will add 1 in the 1000 place. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and rest of the digit would remain unchanged, which is 2, 1. So nearest 1000 value of this digit will be 1,29,000. Okay. So in this way we can rounding off number to the nearest 1000. So now let us understand where it is possible to rounding off the number. So children, I want to share one important information that the rounding of the number would not be applicable everywhere. To understand it, I am giving you few example for more clarification. This is example 1. A thief stole a car number DL2369. The police rounded off the number of the car to DL2000. Will the police be able to catch the thief? No. But why? Because in these type of cases, we never do the rounding of the numbers. We do require the exact same number or value to locate the same. See the next example. The number of people in a city is 94,249. So can we round it off number? Can we say the number of people in a city is around 94,000? Yes, we can say this, right? See, few examples where we never do rounding off the values due to this fact that the particular is assigned to specific individual, such as passport number, driving license number, bills number and so on. So please be aware where you have to rounding off the number and where not. Okay. So children, we have completed this chapter. I am giving you one assignment. Please do it. Thank you children.